Every construction takeoff leads somewhere. To a bid, a proposal, or to a number your entire project's profitability depends on. And if you're like most construction teams, a great way to start that journey is with Stack. But your project ultimately needs to come together in Excel. What if those two worlds finally worked as one? Introducing Velixo for Stack, a seamless way to pull live Stack data directly into Excel. Build custom reports your way and create a real-time connection between your takeoffs and your estimates. No exporting, no rekeying, and no risk of outdated numbers. Just one connected workflow from measurement to markup to margin. Switching between multiple tools to build construction estimates creates a major bottleneck. You start in Stack, capturing quantities with accuracy and speed. But when it's time to price, calculate, adjust, and build your final estimate, everything has to move to Excel. And that's where things get complicated. Exporting CSVs every time your project changes, building formulas, manually updating quantities, re-importing files through multiple versions, and double-checking accuracy over and over again. Every small change means more time, more risk, and more room for mistakes. Velixo fixes this by connecting Excel directly to your live Stack project data, so your spreadsheets always reflect the truth. Velixo empowers estimators, project managers, and finance teams to build dynamic reports and proposals powered by real-time Stack data. Velixo for Stack is a secure, powerful Excel add-in that acts as a bridge between your Stack projects and your spreadsheets. Once installed, the Velixo NX add-in connects live Stack data directly into Excel cells. From takeoff measurements to item quantities to sheet-level details. That means you can build custom proposals, estimate templates, pricing models, dashboards, project roll-ups, forecast reports, procurement summaries, and variance tracking, all using the Excel formulas you already know. No more manual exports, no more broken links, no more starting from scratch. This is estimating your way, powered by real-time Stack data. First, log into the Velixo NX add-in. Choose your Stack project. Instantly, Velixo establishes a secure connection directly to your live data. Velixo uses Excel-friendly formulas designed specifically for Stack. You'll see functions like these, formulas that follow standard Excel nomenclature, so they feel familiar immediately. For an example, here we're pulling item quantities for a specific takeoff on specific sheets, instantly. All your takeoffs, all your sheets, all your items, your tags and labels, and even all your quantities. Live, accurate, searchable, filterable, and referenceable. The real power of Velixo isn't just pulling data, it's how the data works with your existing workflows. In this estimate, these columns are populated directly from Stack, live and in real time. These columns use your Excel formulas, and these are manual inputs like costs and markups. When your project changes in Stack, just click refresh. Your quantities update automatically. Your formulas continue to work, and your manual entries stay exactly where they belong. This is what Velixo means by end-to-end project visibility. You're always working with the most accurate numbers without rebuilding spreadsheets every time something has to change. Let's walk through a real example together. Our scenario, a door package was just added to the project. In Stack, our estimator adds a new takeoff for additional doors. Without Velixo, you need to export a new CSV file, rework your formulas, realign your pricing, and hope nothing breaks. But with Velixo, just click refresh. Immediately, Excel updates. New doors appear as new line items, quantities populate instantly, cost formulas adjust automatically, totals recalculate, your entire estimate stays aligned. And guess what? You never leave Excel, you never rebuild anything, your team stays in sync, from pre-construction all the way to finance. Velixo allows you to merge stack takeoff and cost data with financial results inside Excel for full project visibility. This isn't just faster, it's better. It reduces risk, improves accuracy, and lets your team focus on thinking instead of maintaining spreadsheets. Whether you're building everything from scratch or starting with one of Stack's pre-built templates, the possibilities are endless. You can create proposal formats tailored to your brand, material and labor breakdowns, buyout analysis, estimate to budget comparisons, multi-tab reporting dashboards, and department-specific views. And because it's Excel, you can customize anything: formatting, layouts, formulas, print-ready reports, pivot tables, conditional formatting, and charts and visuals. Velixo gives you the freedom to estimate exactly the way your company works, not the other way around. Velixo and Stack bring together the two most important tools in pre-construction: accurate takeoffs and flexible, powerful Excel modeling. With Velixo for Stack, you get Stack data directly in Excel. Fully customizable reports and proposals, connected estimating and finance workflows, faster updates, and fewer errors. One workspace your entire team can rely on. If you're ready to bring your Stack and Excel worlds together, book a demo with a Velixo product expert and see how your team can use Velixo to build faster and more accurate estimates. Visit Velixo.com to learn more. Your best estimates start here.